Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Arneisha Nicole, and today I'm doing an eyebrow tutorial. So right here, I'm just pushing up my eyebrow hairs with my spoolie before I use my NYX brow gel. I use that to just push my eyebrow hairs up and into place so they stay all day. So there's the gel right there. You could get that from Walmart or Target. And right here, I'm just pushing it up. If it's up, then it's up, then it's up, then it's up. If it's up, then it's up, then it's up, then it's up. If it's up, then it's up. If it's up, then it's stuck. If it's up, then it's up, then it's up, then it's stuck. I can make the party rock. Okay, all right, let's get back into this. So I just do this until I get it into the shape that I want, y'all. Okay, so you see how they're in place. I should have shaved my eyebrows, but I didn't. But now I use eyebrow pencils. I've always used eyebrow pencils from the dollar store, but this one is from Family Dollar, I believe, and you gotta sharpen it. But I use the LA Girls Color Eyeliner pencil in the shade, not the shade, Arneisha, Lord have mercy, in the color brown black, because my hair is a 1B. So that's a mix of brown and black. So I like for my eyebrows to be a mix of brown and black as well. So right here, I'm just underlining the bottom of my eyebrow. And I do that all the way until I get to the front. I try to do that a little lighter in the front. And then I just go ahead and fill in until I get the look that I want. Today, I think I went, I don't know, a little too dark. I didn't really like how they came out. But anyway, this is what I do. I just, draw it. I'm a real Picasso. Well, maybe a Vincent Van Gogh. But anyway, this is what I do. And then I go up and then I start lining the top with my eyebrow pencil. This is the only thing I use is my eyebrow pencil. And then there's another product that I'll talk about in a few seconds. Once you get your eyebrows filled in how you like, you just take the spoolie and I pull it away from my eye in a pulling motion and just pulling backwards, if that makes sense. And then I do that when I come to the front to kind of give it a faded effect. I didn't do too much of a faded effect today. I didn't get that, but this is what I usually do. Once I finish filling in my eyebrows, I just take the spoolie and pull it out. And then I use a concealer in my skin tone. This is the Flawless Brightening Concealer in the shade Rich 30W, if my camera was not focusing. So I just take, this brush is a spoolie with, I don't know what you call it, like an angle brush? Yeah, that's the angle brush. And I just pull it underneath my brow to clean up my brows and to shape it even further. So that's what I do. And then I blend it. Today I didn't blend with a brush or a beauty blender. I blended it with my fingers, y'all. This part is optional. You don't necessarily have to go over the top of your eyebrow to blend your brow, but today I decided to do so because it wasn't giving what it was supposed to give, honey. But a lot of people say put a darker concealer on the top and a lighter on the bottom. Baby, do what works for you. I like to use one that blends with my skin tone, point blank period, and that's what I did. Okay, so do whatever you want to do, but starting out I suggest using a concealer close to your skin tone. Okay, y'all, this is the other product that I mentioned earlier. This is the brow tint pen by NYX. It is to lift and snatch. That's what it says up here, girl. And I have this in the color Espresso. This is what I use to fill in my brows even more, but you can use just this if you want to. You can use this with the pencil just like I did, or you could use this in eyebrow pomade as well. But it's just up to you. Do what you want to do. And now I'm just going through and I'm blending even more with my spoolie. And I just blend it out until I get it to my desired look. Also, you're going to see me going back with my edge angle brush. I forgot the name of it already. Angle brush and spoolie. I'm going back, cleaning up, blending, cleaning up. You do this over and over and over again until you get it how you want to. It just take your time, honey. It's going to take time. You're not going to get your eyebrows right on the first try. My eyebrows look different all the time, honey. They're supposed to be sisters and not twins, if I'm not mistaken. And mine were cousins today. They weren't even sisters or twins. They were cousins. Not first cousins, third cousins, twice removed, okay? That's what they were today. But just take your time and practice. Okay, y'all, this is the finished product. This eyebrow came out really, really good. I always have one that comes out better than the other, but I hope this helps somebody who is learning how to do their eyebrows. Just practice, practice, practice. Practice makes perfect. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you next time, you guys. All right, peace.